Hello, I'm Vyas. In this video, I'll talk about our research on haptic perception on toes. Researchers have used different parts of the body for haptic communication. Compared to the other parts, fingers have high tactile sensitivity and often considered for haptic rendering. However, the fingers are typically occupied. One might expect that the toes would show similar benefits, but that's not the case. We could not differentiate the tactile stimuli across our toes as easily as our fingers. Individuals have difficulty, particularly in discriminating amongst the middle toes. We thought if we could resolve the problem of perceptual ambiguity on toes and achieve the performance similar to that of fingers, we can use toes as a 10-unit spatial tactile display. This motivated us to design a two-part tactile encoding. In this rendering, before stimulating a particular toe, we gave user an initial stimulus in one of the directional toes. For toes 1, 3, and 5, the initial and the final stimulus was given on the same toe. For toes 2 and 4, the initial stimulus was given on the corresponding directional toe, and the final stimulus was given on the targeted toe. During a study, our encoded rendering was compared to default rendering, in which we gave a common tactile stimuli across digits. We conducted an experiment for both poking and vibration. Our results show that participants achieved almost 99% accuracy on fingers. For default rendering on toes, the accuracy dropped. However, the encoded rendering performed much better with relatively less confusion. Overall, our method improved the perceptual accuracy of toes and achieved the performance similar to that of fingers. The achieved performance is acceptable for a proof-of-concept system tested on seated participants, but further research is needed for its use in mobile conditions. We believe that newer actuators like springlets and Taha will offer better flexibility for wearable design. As a conclusion, our study provides evidence that toes are a viable location for haptic rendering. But we must keep in mind that designing such hardware comes with a lot of challenges, such as diversity in foot size and shapes and effects of mobile use conditions. Thank you.